First thing first, let's take a look on the overview the chosen building. The building that we choose for our case study is KL East Mall. KL East Mall is a well-known boutique lifestyle shopping center in Kuala Lumpur's Taman Melati. An important turning point in Sime Darby properties grows into commercial real estate is this mall, which is the company's first fully owned retail development. Nestled at the foothills of Bukit Tabur's lush forest and the iconic Klang Gate Quartz Ridge, the mall seamlessly blends modern shops with the surrounding natural environment. In order to accommodate the expanding residential and commuting population in the vicinity and improve the township's overall appeal, KL East Mall was constructed and officially operated in November 2020. KL East Mall primary function is to provide a comprehensive shopping, lifestyle, and entertainment destination for the local population as well as tourists from nearby areas. With its carefully chosen combination of retail store, food and beverage option, and family-friendly entertainment. The mall serves a variety of requirements and tastes as a one-stop shop. The mall has 4 retail levels and about 170 tenants spread throughout its gross floor areas, which is 1.2 million square feet, and net lettable area of about 400,000 square feet. The interactive retail idea at KL East Mall set it apart from other conventional shopping malls. The malls become a place for leisure, fitness, socializing, and family bonding. In addition to shopping, thanks to all the amenities that has been provided. For the facilities management operation, KL East Mall prioritizes keeping a top-notch, secure, and user-friendly environment. The mall is run with an emphasis on the client satisfaction, sustainability, and operational efficiency. The maintenance of all mechanical and electrical systems, security operation, cleaning, landscape maintenance, trash management, pest control, and air conditioning system are all within the purview of facilities management personnel who make sure the mall functions properly every day. The mall offers a wide range of public facilities on the inside, including wheelchair and stroller service, nursing room, prayer rooms, ATMs, and a customer service. All users, including elderly individuals, families with small children, and those with disabilities, can be assured of safety, hygienic condition, and accessibility thanks to routine inspection and maintenance. The mall's operation also include emergency readiness with system and trained staff in place to handle evacuation, medical emergency, and fire safety. To sum up, KL East Mall is cutting-edge neighborhood focus on the shopping destination that offer more than just traditional retail. Its main purpose is to produce a living experience enhanced by leisure, wellness, and nature in addition to offering retail product. The mall provides a smooth and delightful experience for guests while upholding operational excellence behind the scene by ensuring safety, convenience, and sustainability through smart facilities management operation.
Before I started, my name is Alia Sofia binti Muhammad Zain and my metro number is 2023-679-882. Today, I will be presenting the implementation of digital technology and smart facility management at KL East Mall. In an era where buildings are becoming smarter, KL East Mall is leading by example in adopting high-tech solutions to improve efficiency, sustainability, and user experience. Firstly, let's talk about energy management and IoT-based monitoring. KL East Mall uses an advanced energy management system integrated with Internet of Things. This system continuously monitors energy consumption in significant energy use, which is SEU area, such as lighting, air conditioning, escalator, and water pump. IoT sensors are embedded in pipeline to track water flow, pressure, and temperature. These sensors help to detect irregularity and prevent water waste or disruption in HVAC and plumbing system. The mall also monitor electrical load across different zones, allowing for demand-side management. For example, during the peak hour, non-essential load can be reduced to save energy. One key initiative is the replacement of conventional fluorescent light with T8 LED in the car park, which directly contributing to energy saving. Overall, real-time monitoring allow facility manager to visualize energy data through a centralized dashboard and make informed decisions to reduce waste and operating costs. Next, we look at how KL is Mall uses smart lighting, HVAC, and occupancy control to optimize operation. Lighting and HVAC system are automated through the Building Management System (BMS) and Building Automation System (BAS). Motion and daylight sensor are used to adjust lighting based on occupancy and natural light level. This prevents unnecessary energy usage when areas are unoccupied. For HVAC, temperature, humidity, and CO2, sensors are installed throughout the mall. These sensors help the BMS to control the timing and fan speed of air handling unit and chillers. During off-peak hour, this system reduces energy usage. During weekend or public holiday, the system adjusts to maintain shopper comfort. KL East Mall also incorporate a smart parking system known as a TapWay. This includes occupancy sensor and digital signage to guide driver to available parking bays. The contactless and cashless system enhances convenience for mall visitors. Now, let's discuss predictive and condition-based maintenance. KL East Mall uses sensors connected to the BMS to monitor critical equipment like HVAC system, escalator, and water pump. Data from this sensor is analyzed to identify early signs of deterioration or abnormal performance. For instance, if a motor shows increased vibration or panel temperature rises slightly, the system can trigger an alert before it leads to failure. This predictive approach replaces the traditional time-based maintenance model. It allows the maintenance team to take corrective action before issues escalate, thus minimizing breakdown and disruptions. This strategy is especially important in facilities with high foot traffic, like KL East Mall, where downtime can negatively impact both tenant and customer. Next, to support predictive maintenance, KL East Mall utilizes a computerized maintenance management system known as ServDeck. ServDeck helps to manage all maintenance tasks by automating scheduling, tracking work order, and updating asset record. It serves as the backbone of the maintenance operation. Technicians receive alert and update in real time by ensuring that issues are addressed promptly. The system also provides insight into service level compliance and equipment performance. ServDeck is also used for identity and visitor management, especially for contractor and vendor. This centralized platform improves coordination, reduces human error, and ensures preventive maintenance is done systematically. Ultimately, all these systems contribute to enhance user experience. Visitors enjoy a comfortable indoor environment, efficient lighting, and reliable facility. The smart car park system ensures a smooth access with contactless and cashless payment. In addition, KL East Mall uses a footfall monitoring through sensor placed at entrances throughout the building. This real-time data helps the management to plan cleaning schedules, adjust security deployment, and improve HVAC and lighting based on actual visitor traffic. It also supports marketing strategy by identifying high traffic zone and peak hours by allowing better tenant planning and event scheduling.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Aziza and my fellow friends. My name is Rafada binti Rizwan, matric number 20234766, and now I will continue with the impact of digitalization on facility management performance. Facility management has undergone a major transformation with the adoption of digital technologies to improve sustainability, operational efficiency, cost effectiveness, and equipment satisfaction. From our discussion with Mr. Ahmad Zulhimi, a facilities management representative, it's clear that the digital technology has significantly enhanced facility management performance at KL East Mall. As stated by POM and Signorini 2023, this digitalization for facilities management become the most effective drivers in economy for enhancing economic growth and productivity. In the following section, this part is going to be measured on the impact of digital technology used for facility management at KL Ismall. Firstly is enhanced sustainability. One of the most significant impact is enhanced sustainability. According to Mr. Zuhilmi, KL Ismall implement IoT and Building Management System (BMS) technologies to monitor energy, water usage, HVAC, lighting in real time, and others. For example, smart sensor can automatically adjust lighting and temperature based on occupancy levels to ensure no energy is wasted in empty spaces. This will reduce the amount of electricity used in the mall, particularly during off-peak customer. Besides that, if there is any abnormal energy consumption or equipment inefficiency, the system alert the facility management team immediately. This helps them to check and sort out the problem before it's become a big problem or unnecessary waste energy. With this system, the utility cost and environmental impact of the mall have reduced noticeably.
So buka kat sini kita dah tahu apa masalah dia. Kalau contoh dia tak jalan, dia trip ke dia akan keluar kat sini.
Next is operational efficiency. System like SafeDeck and BUS building automation system has simplified the activities of facility management at KL Ismall by automating routine work. As mentioned by Mr. Zulhimi, integration of this system has enhanced their daily operational process. The bus integrates multiple systems such as lighting, fire safety, ventilation, and electrical, allowing centralized control and monitoring. For instance, when HVAC units show sign of poor performance, the bus identifies it instantly and alert the facility management team. Through real-time data streaming from IoT sensor and connected equipment will update the operational performance of all components continuously. This can make facility management staff act in time before a complete malfunction might happen. This smooth interconnection is important in enhancing operational efficiency. Number 3 is improve cost effectiveness. Digitalization also brings cost effectiveness. Systems like SafeDeck, BMS, and IoT device can enhance cost effectiveness of its facility management aspect. For example, rather than waiting for equipment to fail, the system issue early warnings to facility management teams so that immediate response can be taken. This proactive approach reduces emergency repair costs and extends equipment lifespan. According to Mr. Ahmad Zuhimi, the repair can be performed before the company is fully damaged. This will save more overall cost rather than waiting till the point of total failure. Number 4 is higher equipment satisfaction. Digital technologies at KL Ismall have also improved equipment and visitor satisfaction. Tools like footfall analytics and license plate recognition (LPR) enhance the user experience. For example, footfall analytics allow facility management to monitor crowd movement. This information can help the facility management team to make decisions regarding the staff levels, cleaning frequency, and even layout adjustment to support the movement of crowd and make the place less busy. Besides that, the license plate recognition (LPR) system used in KL Ismall promotes high-quality parking experience by reducing the number of waiting customers, automating entry and exit processes, and guaranteeing security. The guest does not have to pick up or carry physical ticket and speed up the arrival and departure process. Overall, this smart system creates a smoother, safer, and more comfortable environment for mall users. And the last one is enhanced safety and security. Another major impact is on safety and security. KL Ismall use a combination of CCTV, BMS, footfall analytics, and LPR system to monitor building in real time. The system can detect small, unauthorized access or suspicious activity and immediately alert the security team. This reduces reliance on manual inspection and enables quicker response to emergency like fire, thief, and equipment failure. The surveillance network is fully integrated with the BMS for centralized control. Mr. Zuhimi noted that this smart surveillance setup allows the facility management team to respond faster and with the fewer personnel, saving costs while improving safety.
Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nosafin Natasha and I'm here to share with you some of the key challenges faced during the implementation of digital facilities management at KL Ismall. KL Ismall is a smart and modern shopping complex in Kuala Lumpur that puts a strong focus on sustainability and technology innovation. The facilities management team used various digital tools like building automation system, which is BUS, IoT sensors, and computerized maintenance management system, which is CMMS, to keep the mall running efficiently. While this system have definitely improved operations, their implementation has not been easy. So I will explain to all of you through a few major challenges the team has faced. The first challenge is high cost of implementation. Even though KL Ismall is a new building, setting up this digital system still need a harsh amount of investment. They had to spend on hardware, software, server upgrades, and also additional infrastructure like cabling. The thing is, this system do help save costs, but the saving happen in the long run, not immediately. However, mall management often needs to show short-term result, which make it harder to justify spending so much money upfront. That's why cost becomes a serious challenge. Next is integration and interoperability issues. KL Ismall use system from different suppliers. For example, one for lighting, another for air conditioning, and others for security and fire safety. But this system do not always talk to each other properly. Because of this, the facilities management teams has to jump between multiple platforms just to monitor and manage operations. It slows down their decision making and increase the chance of mistake. Connecting all systems into a single platform is possible, but its expenses are and technically complicated. So integration remains a major issue. The third challenge is about limited digital skills and training challenge. Most of the facilities management staff are experienced with traditional building system, but many are still learning to adapt to digital tools. Some advanced features in the building management system or CMMS are underused simply because the staff are not confident in using them yet. Providing training is important, but it also takes time, effort, and also the budget. And with technologies changing all the time, training has to be continuous, not just one time. So building digital skills is an ongoing challenge for the team. The last challenge I would like to share is about data quality and reliability. Digital facilities management depends heavily on real-time data from sensors, meters, and manual inputs. But sometimes, the data can be inaccurate, incomplete, or delayed. For example, if a sensor goes offline due to network issues or is not calibrated properly, it might show the wrong readings. When that data is wrong, it can lead to poor decisions like identifying the wrong area for energy waste or missing a maintenance alert. That's why the team has to keep checking and maintaining this digital system to make sure the data is reliable and accurate. So that's all from me. Then I will pass this presentation to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Narishada binti Ismail. So today I will continue with the challenges in implementing digital facility management solutions. So next point is implementations. Digital facility management solution. So, KL Ismall is a new mall in Kuala Lumpur that use innovative technology for sustainable operations. So, facility management covers energy, security, maintenance, and tenant comfort. So, it includes the digital tools, which is a building automation system, IoT monitoring, computerized management system. So, the next one is despite benefits, it has several challenges arrived in implementation. So, KL Ismall is a modern shopping mall in Kuala Lumpur that focuses on sustainability and innovative technology. So the facility management team use a digital tools like a building management system, IoT devices, computerized maintenance management system to improve the operation. So while this technology bring many benefits, their implementation also come with several challenges. So today, I'll be sharing with the key changes faced by the facility management team in KL Ismall. So let's bring on to another part, which is organizational resistance to changes. So some staff hesitate to adopt digital tools, fear of job changes. Next is a digital system seems complex. The third one is a management that provides communication and support, but culture changes take time. So some of the staff at KL Ismall are quite hesitant to accept digital tools. This is because digital system can seems quite complicated, and people worry to automation this might replace their jobs. So the management is trying to help by explaining that digital tools are here to make the work easier. So not only take the job away, but changes the culture takes time and ongoing efforts. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hannah Mogindal and my matrix number is 2023260556. So today I'll be talking about the recommendations for improvement of digital facility management. So the first recommendation is to adopt open standard for system integration. So KL Eastmall is currently facing integration issues between the BMS, CMMS, and IoT sensors. So one of the key solutions is to adopt open standard like BACnet, which allows all building systems such as HVAC, lighting, and security to communicate seamlessly. In addition to that, integrating IFC standards will also help link BMI data from the design stage directly to the maintenance activities, creating a continuous data flow across the building's life cycle. So to make this possible, the mall should invest in middleware solutions and shift to vendor-neutral procurement policies. The second recommendation is upskill FM staff via digital training. So another major challenge is the digital skill gap among facility management staff. So there are an over-reliance on external specialists, which is a costly thing in the long run. So a sustainable solution is to implement certified digital FM training programs in collaborations with universities and tech companies. So these programs should focus on hands-on training using KL Eastmall's current BMS and CMMS systems. So this helps staff to become more confident with AI, machine learning, and also IoT applications. So the first recommendation is to conduct stage predictive maintenance trial. So currently, predictive maintenance is limited to the HVAC system. However, there is a great potential to apply it to other critical assets like plumbing and escalators. So the best approach is to carry out pilot projects in stages, starting with the installation of vibration sensors to set performance baselines. So during the trials, the team should track key metrics like energy saving, maintenance cost reductions, and also equipment lifespan. So past studies from Olasani shows that approach can reduce unexpected failures by 34% and cut energy consumption with 12%, all within the first year. Now moving on to the fifth recommendation, which is improving cybersecurity using blockchains. So KL Eastmall's CMMS currently lacks proper data verifications, making it vulnerable to data tampering. So to enhance cybersecurity, it is recommended to implement a blockchain system like Hyperledger Fabric. So this would make maintenance log tamper-proof and compliant with the PDPA 2010. So the implementation should start with high-risk areas such as chiller logs and also vendor access records, and eventually be expanded across all FM systems. So the last recommendation is to enhance visitor experience with immersive technology. So finally, while KL Eastmall already has tapway parking and footfall tracking, it could stand out only further by enhancing the visitor experience with immersive technology. So for example, AR navigation system tied to mall directions can help visitors to find store easily, while interactive kiosks could also allow product demonstration and brand experiences. So these technologies would also make shopping at KL Eastmall more engaging and competitive among online platforms. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.
So hi, today I'll be continuing with the conclusion. So KL Eastmall has made a major shift from traditional facility management to a smarter in using a technique-driven approach. So by using building management system, IoT sensor, and computerized maintenance management system, the mall now operates more efficiently and sustainably meeting green building standards. So this digital upgrade has reduced breakdowns, cut maintenance costs, and create a safer, so more comfortable to become environmental for a visitor. So in real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance, keep everything running very smoothly. It is because of ensuring a great user experience. So, of course, changes like a high initial costs, system integration issues, staff training needed remains. But the solution like open standard, digital upskillings, stronger cybersecurity, and immersive visitor technology. So, KL Eastmall is set to lead the way in a smart and sustainable facility management. So that's all for me. Thank you.